Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Thomas, and this is my ALEC 302 Introduction PowerPoint. I am currently a sophomore here at UNL. My major is undecided, and I'm a transfer student from SCC, and this is only my second semester here at UNL. I went to SCC my freshman year to get my gen eds out of the way. More about me. I was born and raised in Lincoln, Nebraska. I've lived here my whole life. I am the oldest child of 5 children. My parents are divorced, so it was me and my brother and sister, and then they got divorced, and each of them got remarried and had 1 child of their own. My boyfriend and I have a dog named Emmett. Fun fact, he was named this after Emmett from the Lego Movie by the same name. He is a mini Aussie, and he is my best friend. Between my mom and my dad, I have 3 cats and 1 dog, so I've always grown up with animals in the house. Why am I taking this class? Honestly, I am taking this class because I am currently undecided in my major, so my advisor thought that I should take a trial semester, test out several different classes, and this is one that she recommended. I also liked that it was online rather than in person because it allows my work schedule to be more open. What I found interesting about this week's readings, the article or passage entitled OB in Action, One Size Doesn't Fit All, I found very interesting to me because I thought it was so cool that one chain that worked really well in America, was selling really well, did not have the same success in a foreign country. And that's because the people aren't the same. What works somewhere in the world will not be the same for somewhere else in the world. This is the same with learning styles. In the classroom, many people will be able to learn one way, but there are many other ways to learn, and what one way might not work for somebody else. So, one way will not work for every single person. Future career goals. Since the 4th grade, I have wanted to teach. It's all I remember ever wanting to do growing up. I came in my freshman and sophomore year majoring in secondary English education with a minor in technical theater, but having taken some of those classes in that field and even through my practicum last semester, I decided that teaching and theater just wasn't for me. Though I don't have anything set in stone, I know for sure I want to travel the world, take pictures, and I know I want to adopt as many dogs as I can. Interesting fact, my list of allergies goes from ceiling to floor. It's insane. I am allergic to pretty much all fruit and a lot of vegetables, as well as latex and raw eggs. Another fun fact, I work in the salad bar department at Hy-Vee, where all I do all day is cut fruit and vegetables. So I work with things that can kill me all day, every day. The end. And here's another picture of my dog.